for the union makes us.
Mugomo wa arutani university cia muingi uria ukoretwo ugithii na mbere kwa ihinda ria thiku 76 riu ni ukinyite muthia thutha wa kiama kiu kugia na giikaro na maabitha ministry uruti wira muthenya wa ira.
For us, you're not signing anything. Yes, we are just giving our statement.
Mwandiki munene wa kiama kiu Constantine Wasonga augite matacukitie ikinya riri niguo kuninira arutwo menya mari kwiria makoretwo nayo kwa ihinda riu riothe.
It's over for the sake of the comrades. However, the lecturers' fight for the 2017-2021 CBA continues in earnest.
Oho Wasonga nugite ningi itacukia riu tanyitwo kuheka mweke miario gatagati kao na thirikari niguo kumenya uria mirutire ya wira yao ingigacirithio.
National Office is authorized to apply complementary mechanisms to achieve the 2017-2021 CBA. It is imperative that dons continue the fight for academic dignity.
Mweneini wake mwikariri wa Akiaria University Paul Kanyari augite gutire murutani ono mwe gutacukiria ikinya na ririko ni undu wa kunyita itemi mugomo-ini uyu na ningi no mekurihwo mishara yao yothe.
There will be no job losses. There will be no loss of benefit. Both parties are to withdraw all court cases pertaining and related to the Employment and Labor Relations Court, case number 257 of 2018, and all the industrial action.
Ikundi cicieri ni ciguanire kuongerera ihinda ria mathomo niguo gucokia mahinda maria morite kumana na mugomo uyu. Wasonga gwete ni mararegire muigana wa shilingi bilioni 3.6 niguo metekirio miario gatagati-ini kao na thirikari. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV rito riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.
Thank you. So, come on, this is my